The norament cold welding system is recommended for Nora floors with a structured surface. After installation with wet adhesives, wait a minimum of 12 hours before cold welding. You can cold weld immediately if using Nora dry fix tape or Nora NTX flooring. Nora recommends wearing nitrile gloves when handling Nora cold weld. To begin, use a cloth sprayed with simple green to wipe the seams, then allow to dry. When the seams are dry, apply 3M cold weld tape to all joints using the V300 roller directly behind the tape roll. Do not apply tape first and then roll. Next, groove the seams with a mechanical joint cutter or hand grooving tool, ensuring all grooves are clean. The depth of the groove must be a minimum of 1.5 millimeters with a width of about 2.5 millimeters. For vertical seams, a small, bendable straight edge can be helpful during the trimming or grooving process. To begin cold welding, cut the cone tip off the tube above the threads, squeeze out a small amount of cold weld, screw on the nozzle, and place the cold weld tube into a cartridge gun. Then, inject the Nora cold weld into the groove without gaps until a small bulb develops above the seam about the size of a heat weld rod. At the end of the seam, release the gun to prevent leaks. You must remove any Nora cold weld tracked or spilled on the flooring using 70% isopropyl alcohol and a clean cloth because cleaning at a later stage may not be possible. Next, compress the Nora cold weld into the seam using a smoothing spatula, held at about a 20-degree angle. You must have separation between the cold welded seam and the excess cold weld in order to remove the excess cold weld. 3M cold weld tape allows you to peel off and remove excess cold weld immediately, or you can allow it to dry. When cold welding norament tiles, the best method is to weld all north to south seams one day, then all east to west seams the following day. Prevent any traffic on the seams until the Nora cold weld has cured for about 8 hours.